Now I am going to start with same burger and pizza application. For that, first we have to follow the same folder structure. So here inside this src, I will be creating the folder as app. Inside that, I will create store.js. Then inside src, I will be creating another folder features. And as of now, I am having two features, burger and pizza. So here I will write burger, and then again inside these features, I am going to create another folder pizza. Now inside this pizza, I will create pizza slice.js. And inside this burger, I will be creating burger slice.js. I will come inside this pizza slice.js. Now I have also opened JavaScript application where we have used this Redux Toolkit. Now inside this pizza slice, I am going to write the same code. Only thing that is going to change is import and export. So first thing, we have to import this create slice. Here we were working in Node.js environment, so we use this required keyword. But now inside this, we are going to use ES6 import and export. So here I am going to write import. Then inside this, I am just going to write this create slice. From hit enter. So successfully I have imported this create slice from Redux Toolkit package. Then initial state create slice, this entire thing will be same. I will copy and here I will be pasting. So inside this create slice, I am having name of the slice, initial state, and I am having the reducer pizza order where I am decreasing the pizza base by 1. After that, I have to export my reducer. So for reducer, I am going to do default export. So how we are going to do default export? Here I will write export default, and from this pizza slice, I just have to export this reducer. Okay, entire thing is same. Only thing I am changing is import and export. And after that, I just have to export my action. So what I will do, from this pizza action, we are going to get the object. So directly, I am just going to destructure that object and I will be exporting my action. So here I am going to write const. Before that, let me just open this JavaScript application. Inside this, I am just going to run this command. Here I will run node index, and here if you see inside this action, I am having pizza order. So what I will do, directly I'm just going to destructure pizza order. So here I will write export const, and inside this curly braces I'm just going to pass pizza order, exact same name which is present inside our reducer. And here I will be writing pizza slice dot actions. So from this action I have just destructured this pizza order. If I pass multiple action creators, then accordingly I can just destructure by separating with comma. Successfully, we have completed our pizza slice. Now I will open burger slice, and from here I'm just going to copy this import, and inside this I will be pasting. And this rest entire thing I will copy, and below this I will be pasting. And after that I have to do export default burger slice dot reducer. Again export const. I'm just going to destructure. I will write burger order, from where I will be getting this value. I will be getting from burger slice dot actions. Okay, not here. Let me copy. Instead, I'm just going to write burger slice dot actions. Successfully, we have exported, but inside this burger slice, we have also used this extra reducer. And inside that, whenever we are ordering pizza, we are just decreasing the burger buns by 1. So here, What we have done inside this pizza slice, I have just exported this pizza order. So here I'm just going to import pizza order. Here I will write import. Inside this I will give pizza order from this file, and for this pizza order I will be giving another name. Here I will write as, and then I will give pizza ordered. Now I will copy this name inside this. Okay, you don't have to pass this entire action. Instead, you simply have to write the name which I have given. Before that, I have given pizza action dot pizza order, because here we have not performed any restructuring, but here using this ES6 syntax directly I am destructuring. So that is the reason I do not have to mention pizza action dot pizza order. And also for readability, I have changed the name. So here we have to pass exact same name which we have changed, and rest entire thing will be same. Then finally we have to set up our store. I will come here. I will increase the size. Inside this, first I'm just going to import configure store. Import, I will write configure store. Hit enter. This method got imported from Redux Toolkit package. And below this, I'm just going to configure store. Inside this, I will be passing object of options. And this entire value, I'm just going to assign to this store. Now inside this, I will be passing the property reducer. And for pizza, I will give the key as pizza. And for this, I'm just going to assign the value as pizza reducer. Separate by comma. Then here, for burger slice, I will give the key as burger, and for this I will assign the value as burger reducer. And both reducers I have done default export. So here I will write import pizza reducer from, I will come inside this features, then pizza, then I will come inside this pizza slice. Similarly, I will write import, then I will be writing burger reducer from, come inside this features, come inside this burger, and finally burger slice. And this store also we have to use inside our components. So I'm just going to do default export of store. Export default store. Okay, exact same thing. Only thing we have changed is import and export. And also we have configured the store. So if you just compare this code with the plain Redux, then you will understand how much boilerplate we have reduced.